Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Rachel, 35 years old, and I am single. I'm from Cagayan Valley. My hobby is dancing, cooking, singing, and baking. I work as domestic helper in UAE in more than 6 years. I serve 6 members in a family, including their children. The ages is 12, 10, 8, and 6 years old. My duty is taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking their meals, washing the dishes, ironing, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, grocery shoppings, and many more. I have also a lot of experience taking care of newborn baby, a toddler, and children. I like to work in Hong Kong because I need to earn money for my family needs and to have savings for my future. To my future employer, sir, ma'am, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking woman, honest, and loyal. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I have looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.